Instagram introduced video chat in their messaging interface a few months ago, and with the newest Instagram update, you can now video chat with up to 6 people. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to start a group video chat within your Instagram DMs. Now let's get started. To begin, open Instagram and tap the direct message icon in the top right corner. Then tap the plus sign icon to start a new conversation. Now type in the usernames of the people you'd like to include in your video chat. You can include up to 6 people in total, including yourself. Tap Next. To start your video chat, tap the video camera icon in the top right corner. Then just wait for your friends to answer and join the call. While you're in your video call, you can minimize the video chat window and keep scrolling Instagram by tapping the shrink icon in the top left corner. Tap the overlay window to return to full screen. To switch between your device's front and back cameras, tap the circle of arrows in the top right corner. To temporarily hide your camera, tap the video camera icon. Tap it again to turn it back on. To mute your microphone, tap the microphone icon. Tap it again to unmute. When you want to finish your video call, tap the red button at the bottom of your screen. That's all it takes to use Instagram's new group video chat feature. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.